everyone. In today's video I have this plastic piece. It's actually a pen holder. So it has a base and then it has arms and then you just rest all your pens in it. So kind of an organizer. But I was looking at it and I was thinking this would be a really great item to use as a stamp and just get a nice grid pattern over whatever you're using. So I have some blank pages and then I have some pages with some paint on them, and I know I want to do black. I might also try and wipe it off and do some white, but I think just I have my brayer and I don't know if the brayer is going to work well going over this or if a paintbrush is just going to work better. So I also, let me grab one of my brushes. I think a paintbrush might work fine. I'm not really looking to get, it doesn't have to be a ton of coverage, but I'm just going to start getting this covered. And we will stamp this and see how it looks. I think I'm gonna I do like this. This was my gold, green gold color that I like so much. I'm gonna just stick an extra piece of paper underneath it because I know the stamp is going to go, the pattern's gonna go off. But let's see. Okay, so I'm going to either have to push harder or add more paint. The areas that I did get some, I'm wondering if it's not flat enough. We'll try a little bit more paint. Okay, so I know it's not going to be a full stamp, but we'll see if we can get some more on there. Really push down hard and see. That works better. Oh, I like the way that that looks. I could see going to a hardware store and trying to get some mesh or like some chicken wire and using that too, but that turned out really nicely. So I want to try it on a couple of pages that don't have any paint. I'm going to put a little bit more on there and just see what kind of, how much of a pattern I can get on these. Yeah, that worked a little better. Okay, so we're going to do over here. Okay, let's see if I can get a little bit more up top. There we go. So some nice areas on those. And then I'm going to try one more. I want to see if I can get some on here. I'm wondering if my ink would work better or if that would be too thin. also wondering if we're going to try the other side and see if this stamps any better. If this side ends up being flatter. All right. I'm just gonna use a paper towel since I have so much paint on this side. And press down. Let's see, that one worked a little bit better. So yeah, just again, little household item. I wasn't using it for the markers, and so when I looked at it, I figured that would be a fun stamp to try out. So, random items from around your house. You never know how that is going to work. But I hope you guys like this video today. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I know we're getting towards the end here. I think after this I'll have 4 more videos. I have ideas for all of them, but thank you for sticking with me so far on this 100-day journey.